Okay, today we'll be resetting the oil and filter maintenance reminder on a 2017 Nissan Rogue. Navigation is done via these arrow buttons here and the OK button and then the back button. So use the arrow button to scroll till you find the menu and scroll down. Maintenance, select oil and filter, scroll down, hit reset, hit OK, confirm it by scrolling up and press yes, and that's it. You hit the back arrow to get out of this. If the tire reminder is also on, it's done the same way through here, but this vehicle doesn't have it activated, so we don't have to do that. And that's it.